Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you guys can tell in the title, we're going to be playing with the new e.l.f. Cosmetics and Jkissa collection. This is the second collection they came out with, and honestly, when I saw this on Instagram, I was like obsessed. First of all, I love colorful palettes. They just make me very happy. And like when I saw this palette, it was just amazing. The whole collection is amazing. I saw her video talking about it and I was just so excited about like everything about it. Everything about it is just amazing, and I'm going to show you guys the collection. I did get it in PR, so I'm going to show you guys right here. It's like pretty big, and it has like everything here. It comes with little stickers and the palette. I'm going to show you guys right there. I sent out some stickers, and if you guys don't know, obviously if you guys have seen my little room tour, you guys know that on my vanity, on my drawers, I have a bunch of stickers. So I am going to be adding these to my vanity, so I am so excited. So everything's in here. I'm gonna take out this, and I obviously did open it already. I'm just showing you guys how it came in the PR. It comes in this little box here, and it's super cute. And then we also have this. This is the Suki to My Heart eyeshadow topper duo. This is $12, and I want to tell you guys the palette. This is To the Rescue eyeshadow palette. This is going to be $20. We also have these brushes, and it's gonna hit me. We have these brushes here. Let me just take them out of the box because it's just gonna be easier like that. These are the Forever, oh my god, how cute, Forever eyeshadow brush set. These are $25. If I'm not mistaken, this palette and this collection came out yesterday, and the brushes are sold out. I'm gonna put here the dates that she had. I had screenshotted her story because I want to put you guys the dates that she had mentioned there. I'm gonna put everything in the information in the description box below as well, so you guys can see it there. But you guys, I am obsessed with these brushes. First of all, the quality feels amazing. It just feels so nice. It does not feel cheap at all. The brushes are synthetic. They're gonna be cruelty free and vegan, just letting you guys know that. I'm very obsessed with this, and I am going to be using this brush set today for my eyeshadow, which I'm so excited because you guys don't even know, I have been waiting for this palette since yesterday, and I was gonna film this yesterday and I was gonna upload the video yesterday, but my plan did not go as planned. So I'm here again, getting ready again to do this video, which I'm very excited. I was really sad about it yesterday, but you know what? Today is a new day, and I was like, let's play. So let's just go ahead and dive in here. Before I start, I do want to mention, and this is very important, because with this collection that Jkissa came out with, e.l.f. Cosmetics, you can snap and post a photo with an animal you love using hashtag eyes, lips, face, paws. For every submission, e.l.f. will donate $1 to Angel City Pitbulls. So this is amazing, guys. Like there's everything about this collection is beautiful, because right here they send out this little book thing. These are all the little doggies that their names are in the palette. Some of these have to be adopted, and some of these are owned by her friends and her family members. So this is so cute. I had seen this in her video and I was like obsessed with it. I just love everything about this collection. It's just so genuine, and I love that. In this palette, as you guys can see, I already decorated mine. It came with some stickers, and I love this so much. It came in this little right here, and it came with the stickers here, and I decorated mine. So I want to let you guys know what I did for my palette, and this is so cute because it gives you time to just kind of sit there with the palette and just decorate it the way you want it to with these little stickers, which is really cute, and it makes it very personal to me. So right here I put my dog Sandy. If anything, I'm gonna try to post a picture of my animals here for you guys so you guys can see them. I have my dog Sandy here, Shadow, which is a cat that I had that passed away. Right here I have Mia, my little cat that I have right now, and then I also added Pete. He's not my pet, but he's my sister's pet, and I love him so much, and he was actually Shadow's brother. I have a really special place for Pete in my heart because he's just my Shadow's brother, and that's the only thing that I have close to him. So I just love him so much. This is really cute, and I like the fact that I had the number 23 because my birthday is on the September 23rd. So I was like, this is so cute. So I just love the fact that you're able to decorate it. So just letting you guys know, if you guys do purchase a palette, it is going to come with these little stickers that you can play around with. I'm gonna stop talking because I just need to get to the makeup. I just need to talk about all of this. This is just so beautiful. First of all, the palette, I love it. I know I saw on Twitter, people were talking about how they're like, why would they come out with the rainbow palette and everything? But honestly, like, I just think a palette's a palette. It's a colorful palette. This is her rainbow palette that she would love to have. So I can see why she did this, and I love it. Honestly, it's one of those palettes that e.l.f. has came out with. The most prettiest palette I have ever seen. It is so beautiful, and I love it so much. And the price is just right. It's just $20, guys. This is a cheap price for such a beautiful palette, and it's a colorful palette. It's just amazing. I'm just excited to dive into these colors. I'm going to try not to do a rainbow look. Really try, because just seeing this makes you want to do a rainbow look, but I really just want to do a combo of colors. So I went ahead and I primed my eyes with that Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, because I just feel like this primer just does it for me when it comes to colors. Now to dive into this beautiful palette. So I'm going to be using obviously the collection that came here, the brushes. I do want to say that it comes with a fluffy brush, which is amazing. So you can just kind of blend in all the colors or just blend in one shade. Very nice. And it also comes with like this little packer but also blending brush. It is tapered from the bottom here, and it's like fluffy on top here, which is amazing to kind of get in there in the crease. Really nice. We also have like this pencil brush. This is really nice if you want to pack color in. It's very dense there, you know, like under the eye and everything. So this is really good. We also have an angled brush. We also have this straight one, which is amazing if you want to like tight line top of your lash line, or right here get under the eye really nice and tight. And we also have this packer brush, which is amazing, which I can't wait to try this out with the palette. So first I'm gonna go in with the shade Sadie, which is this purple one right over here. I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna pack this to my outer corner, and just packing that in here. We're just gonna make sure we blend that in there very nicely. So far I'm not having any trouble putting the product in there, and it feels really nice. I'm just gonna slowly kind of blend that in. Just pack that in. We're gonna blend some colors in here, so we can just kind of have like a nice gradient of colors going, because we have to play with colors since it has a lot of colors. And I'm also gonna bring that purple down here. Now what I want to do is kind of go in with the shade Cannoli, which is this beautiful blue here, and I'm going to be using that to blend it in with the purple. So I'm just going to slowly kind of blend that in and just blend those shades together, because I feel like blue and purple just look amazing together. So that is what we're going to do, just blend that in. Wow, that blue, it is so pigmented. I was not expecting that blue to just kind of, I literally just tapped it and it just blended that very nicely. So we're gonna take our time with this since it's so pigmented. We're gonna just kind of blend that in and just slowly, and we're gonna go in back and forth with Sadie and Cannoli there and just kind of blend those together. Now I'm going to grab Yosemite, and I'm actually going to blend that in with the blue. I know it has green here, but I just really want to see what kind of color it does with that yellow if I blend that in with the blue. Just slowly blending that in there and just kind of tapping that yellow inside and just blending that. We're slowly just kind of creating like a nice blend. And I'm using the same fluffy brush that I came with. I'm pretty sure once you find like those colors that blend very nicely, you can kind of do that. I'm gonna go in back with Cannoli and just kind of bring that blue back from that yellow, because it was like kind of losing itself a little bit, but you could always kind of bring that back and just blend those shades together. It is so nice. I ended up doing the other eye off camera just because I needed to play catch up with that eye, because I'm like, whoa, I forgot the other eye. So now I'm going to go in with Confetti, which is like this purple one right here. I'm going to go in with this one, and I'm going to be adding this to the outer corner just on top of that purple, just to give it a little bit of a glow, because I feel like it needs it. So far, you guys, all the shadows have been blending very nicely. The blue shadow has like this pigment that I'm just blown away of how pigmented it is. Like literally just one tap could do so much, which I love so much. I'm going to be going in with a little bit of that red. Now, do I want to do the red? You know what? I'm going to do a little bit of that orange, and I'm going to start packing that with this brush right here. This is like the little packer brush. This is a J1. I think they have numbers. I just realized that right now. I'm going to be packing that to the inner corner and just creating like this nice, beautiful color of blend here. And kind of blend that out a little bit more on top here. This is really pretty, guys. I just love the way everything is blending. And like, look, literally just one tap and I'm getting that color payoff that I'm looking for, which I love. Honestly, I think this is the best palette I have tried from e.l.f. Like, everything about it is just so good and I appreciate this so much. I just love the fact that it's affordable and that you're able to use it because it is such a beautiful, colorful palette. I'm going to go in with Suki, which is this orange one right here. I'm going to go in with this. And we're going to be adding that to the top part of my lid here. Just blending that purple and the orange together. And just creating this nice, glossy, shimmery eye look. Because, oh my god, you guys. This is so freaking pretty. Look how beautiful that is. For under my eye, I'm gonna go in with Peaky, which is this green right over here. I'm gonna go in with that because I kind of do want to use these dual eye toppers for the eyeshadows. So I'm gonna be using this. I want to do both. I want to use this one for the top one and then this one for the bottom. So we're gonna go in with Peaky and just kind of tap that and pack it under the eye a little bit here. And just make sure we get a good, nice packing motion there. You guys, I love this palette so far, you guys. It is so good. I did not expect the colors to be this pigmented. And they blend very nicely together, which I love. So what I'm going to do here is grab a little bit of cannoli, which is that blue one. And I'm going to blend it in with the green and the purple here. So we can get like a nice gradient of color here going on. So it doesn't look too just like, you know, just kind of cut off. But so far, I love the way that this is looking. I wanted to do something colorful and I'm achieving that, which I appreciate so much. It's coming out so good, guys. So now I'm going to go in with Pupset, which is this green one right here, which is so cute. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit of this under the eye to grab a little bit more of that glow here. So we're just going to add this here. Wow, this is so pigmented. Look at that. Wow. We're gonna add a little bit of the what is it called, What a Pity Smile, and we're gonna add that to the inner corner just to have a little bit of a inner corner moment and just kind of give that a nice glow. Look how pretty that is. So cute. Look at that glow of that Pupset. It's just mind-blowing of how pretty that looks. I'm going to blend in Bailey, which is like this blue shimmer, which is super pretty, and we're going to blend that in next to Pupset or on Pupset, and we're going to just kind of create like a nice glow of blue shimmer and green so it can kind of match, because I just feel like it'll look amazing together. Look how pretty that is looking, you guys. I love the way this is turning out. I am so happy with it. I also want to add a little bit of like a glow on the brow bone. So I'm going to go in with What a Pity Smile. And we're going to just kind of add a little bit of that glow right on the brow bone. And I'm just also going to add it to my lid and just kind of like blend that on top so it can kind of look a little bit more wet. Because I just love the way that this is looking on the eye. I just love the glow of it. It has like a little bit of blue pink reflex on it, which is so cute. So we're just gonna add this here. So this is the completed eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara and some lashes off camera and I'll be right back. You guys, this is the final look. I am so obsessed with it. You guys, I am obsessed with this palette. I love the colors so much. I didn't really get to play with the deep tones because I just really wanted to do like a bright shimmery look, and I achieved it. For $20, this palette is amazing, guys. The quality is just the best out of e.l.f. like has ever done, to be honest. I haven't tried like the little quad ones, like the little ones that they have, which I heard that they're really, really good. But when it comes to colors, this is it. If you guys want it, I recommend you guys grab it, because I don't know if it's going to be limited edition, to be honest. So make sure you guys grab this. It is so freaking good, you guys. I love it so, so much. And I am actually obsessed with this green. This is so pretty. And this one just does, like, gives like the look, like such an amazing kind of like touch. And I love that. This is kind of giving me like tropical vibes, which I love. Jkissa, you did such an amazing job. Congratulations on this second collaboration with e.l.f. It is amazing. I love it so, so much, and I was able to create such a beautiful look with this palette. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this collection. Would you guys grab it? I'm grabbing the brushes when they go back on stock, because they're out of stock right now. They sold out on those. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this look. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel and would like to be part of my little fan band, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. And if you guys are not following me on my Instagram and Twitter, go ahead and follow me there. I'm always posting there, and on TikTok as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and finishing it all the way to the end. You guys are the best, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.